Alright guys, let's do this. Oh, so you're jumping. I was confused.
I'm gonna take him with me.
Yeah. Right. So bro, here it's gonna be, I'm just letting you know, you don't have to do anything. So this one is your second safety.
Yeah.
And here's my releasing trigger.
Yeah.
Right. Alright. Safety off. You're touched here.
Yeah.
Let me check your back. Cool. Alright.
For sure, eh?
Yeah. No worries.
Yeah. No worries, Shafty.
No worries, dude. Now just sit down very softly. Sit all the way. Yeah, all the way.
Oh, like that, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Those pillows under your arms. Checking your back again. Cool. You're alright. Alright, dude. Let's do this. Look, you're gonna be hanging about 1 meter below.
Yeah.
So I need you to be quiet. Just yeah, all the way in, and hold here. Yeah,
Like
that's
that,
gonna be your dropping position.
All right.
All right. I'm ready.
I'm not.
I'm ready. What the fuck? I'm ready. Cool. Let's go. Opening the gate. Alright, dude. Now I'm lowering you down.
Yeah.
Just a little bit for dropping position. All right, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hello, Marina! We are ready to jump! Are you ready?
Yes.
He said he's ready! So he's gone! In 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Yes. And now it's your turn. What do you think about it?
My turn?
Yeah.
No. I only filming a bro.
Look at the marina, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Hola.